is an update on RIVN Automotive off this primary downtrend line here, hidden in between with plenty of continuous reactionary highs and lows that validate this really off the November 2021 IPO highs. And here we are. We actually got rejected. I'd mentioned in my previous video it would provide short trade entry, and we actually came back and back tested it really to the button, coinciding with the 50-day moving average, and it was some pretty strong resistance, and it got rejected pretty impulsively off of it. Came down, hit my first target for an 8.9% drop down to T2, darn near hit T2 here. This is a great area, just to start to collect profit, because we could actually be at the bottom of the backfill the gap now off the candle wick, and that was good for a 19% drop. Here coming up, holding up above that 24.88 price support, and I'm going to actually add this to the part of the top of the wick here. Plenty of continuous reactionary lows to help validate this. This is a definitely a support level that I actually really like here off this daily interval here. Call it 25.80 price support now, and it really coincides with the gap, bottom of the gap, close enough to this my second target in order to just start to collect some profit. And again, we'll see what happens. We could actually have a back test, have a counter trend rally, 9%, good 9 or 10% in gains of a rally, and that would probably provide another objective short trade entry if we, even if we get there. But again, bull traders want to see a breakout above this 28.71 level, and to start to stair step higher. And in case if you're in the long trade, if you're a trader towards the long side, I give you these two targets here to hit 33.59 and 37 price. If you think there's going to be a breakout, you're talking about 8.2% gains up to that 33.59 resistance for 25% gains up to 37.49 if we start to really kick the pedal to the metal here on the automotive sector. Good for 40% in gains there. And really what's really kind of significant now is we have this beautiful, at least starting from here, where you would consider a beautiful neckline here, is an inverse head and shoulder potential bottom, and that would be really bullish, especially if we continue to consolidate a little bit further. Call this, bring this a little bit down here, and we start to consolidate here, and once we break out here, that would be extremely bullish. So we'll see what happens. Keep you updated if I see any significance. Hit that like subscribe button.